If you have sensitive skin and are considering SAM for your recovery, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through best practices to ensure a comfortable and irritation-free experience. Before applying SAM, ensure your skin is clean and dry. For sensitive skin, consider using a hypoallergenic wipe before placing the device. This can help minimize irritation and improve comfort. The gel capture patches are designed to be gentle on the skin. However, if you feel any discomfort, try repositioning the patch for a better fit. While using SAM, you should feel a mild warmth. This is normal. However, if you experience redness, itching, or irritation, remove the device and allow your skin to rest. If you have very sensitive skin, slightly adjusting the placement of SAM between treatments can help reduce irritation. Be sure to replace gel pads regularly to maintain both comfort and effectiveness. Once your session is complete, turn off the device and carefully remove the applicator. Clean your skin to remove any residual gel. Your recovery should be as comfortable as possible. By following these simple steps, you can maximize the benefits of SAM while keeping your skin healthy and irritation-free.